Mintri rangba kajala u Konrad ke sangma hage kendai trik yayong ulapan syai bakasor karjala kalakang persya banshna ye kinu ki jingtei ki bane junom ni permanent hapo dewlynnong Lumpongdeng hapung Umiam. Kani ka jingpen pau jong u kalawan long hadin ka jinga ki sya tngan balapan long da kinangalam jong Green Tech Foundation hakmat secretariat bandawa ba omde bantay kinu kini project kam jungo kai perthei hapo dewlynnong Lumpongdeng. Ngakwa banshim ya kani kabu ban pensyai shabaro bahaka jingate kular beladab banyasoy ka sorkar bat katna tourism lakren syai bakanam dan kanu kunu jingtei ka banne junom kabala banle ya kani dewlynnong ong ukonran. Halor ka jingsungu kya bakati ka dewlynnong baro ka we kan dap ki jingtei bas kem ki banne junom kalong ka babakla. Ka sorkar kaladap ban keren syai haka jingate kular ba omdei bandan kanu kunu jingtei ka banne junom haka ni ka dewlynnong. Ukonrad ulabatai ba on sya tangi ki jingtei ki basipor ni ki bamne junom ban pen itenat ya katika jaka na kabenta ban penlong ya kinu kini program. Ki jingtei basipor kum ki shamanya pandal bat ki stall basipor ya kiba la ban pen prano hadin beladap penlong ya kinu kini program kumbang ilale hapo Watts Lake kiba net tang kumba shita yo ne ship house ngi but on sawing no eki ulaong. Kumta kanam dan kanu kunu ka jingta ya ka dewlynnong laha kanu kunu rukam ne ki jingdon jing em ki badan hapo kani ka dewlynnong. Ula banrap bawat la ki kindon an ki bayade bat kamaryang ki sya bantay ya ki jingtay hakikat tu kani ki benta lingba ka jingyo jingbet nakatnat forest Henry katnat tourism kalayang scam hala kanong rim. Wat la ki don an bayade bat kamaryang ki sya bat island Henry katnat tourism ka yeng hakanong rim ka baskem bat bu haka jingate kular ba om sya bandan kinu ki jingtei ki banne junom haka ni ka dewlynnong ong ukonran.
Dear friends, there have been some concerns that have been raised in the public regarding the Lumpongdeng island. I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to everyone that in the agreement that has been signed, the government and the tourism department has made it very, very clear that there will be no permanent construction that can take place in the island. So therefore, the concerns that are there that the entire island will be made into a concrete setup is completely wrong. Government has made it clear in the agreement that no permanent structure is going to be allowed in the island. But in order to ensure that we're able to take advantage of the location, temporary structures, shamiranas, pandals, and temporary stalls, which are going to be dismantled once the program is over, like we do in Watts Lake. These kind of structures will be allowed, which will be barely there for a week, 10 days, and then removed again. And hence, there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. There could be some individuals who might try to mislead, that there have been some consent to operate and establish permissions being given. That is as per the Forest Department's permissions, which means that Forest Department has said that in case the permission has to be given, it can be given as per the Forest Department in certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.